if you are someone that runs a business with the handwork that you do, if you have a handwork or hand skill that you do that you use to run your business, I want you to understand one thing. You are not the best at what you do. I hope you understand what I'm saying. You are not the best at that service you are running. Somebody out there is offering the same thing or even better than what you are even giving out to people. So why do you think relying on your skills alone is enough for you to actually thrive in your business? In fact, there are some people that are not even as good as what you like. They are not as good as you in what you actually do, but they are actually thriving in their business. They are making more money. They are doing very, very, very well. Why? Because they are using their brain. They are using some kind of ideas that they know that you don't know about. So let me share with you 3 simple things that you can actually do that will make you stand out from any of your competitors in your niche or in any kind of handwork or any kind of skill or any kind of service you're offering to people. So the very first thing you need to understand is whatever business or whatever service, whatever skill you are rendering to people, you need to offer something more. I don't know if you understand me, but let me like explain it better for you guys. So once upon a time, there's a friend of mine that wanted to start up a barbering salon. So he just wanted to start up a barbering salon in this area, and obviously there were other people that were also there doing the same thing. And you are new here, nobody knows you, nobody know what you can do. Even if you are very, very good, you are the best, nobody knows if you are good or not. It will take a long time before people start knowing that okay, yeah, you are good. And before they even do that self, it might not even happen. I don't know. Let me not talk too much. So what I told him to do was immediately you are starting up this thing, you like this your barbering salon, make sure you get a snooker board out there, or make sure you get a PS4, PS5 game out that you can like show out to people. And nobody outside there, like nobody, no other barbers or no other person that owns a salon there has this kind of thing. What this was doing for him was that immediately he launched it, he thought about it, was like, oh, that's actually a good idea. Immediately he opened his salon, he made sure he puts in the snooker board. And what that was doing for him was that it was attracting people. Nobody else had that in their shop. People were saying it's like, what is this guy bringing up? Like, this is something new, they've not seen it before. He opened his barbering salon, he brought in the snooker board, and people were just coming to play. They were like, oh, and he was not charging them, mind you, he wasn't charging them for playing. People were just coming, they played and were like, oh, you even have a barbering salon. That's why they were entering, they were cutting their hair. Some of them were cutting, some of them were playing, so like that, like that, like that. That was how I was able to make a name for yourself in an environment nobody even knew him before. So one thing you need to know as a business owner or as a skilled person that is offering this kind of business, you need to offer something. Look around. What do people do that you can add to your own that will make you different and that would like draw attention? It could be anything. I'm just using this snooker and this barbering salon something because this is an experience that I share with someone, like an advice that I share with a friend, and it worked out for him perfectly. So your own, it could be something. You just look at things that are not really, really rampant around like the kind of people you are, like your competitors, and offer those kind of values. I offer those kind of things to your clients. It will definitely work out better for you. The second thing you would want to do, this is very, very important. Make sure you are taking it. The second thing you want to do is to show hospitality. I know a lot of us might not find this ideal because, especially most of us that didn't come from a very rich background, but I'm telling you, every successful business person, rich business person knows that the best way you can actually trap a customer down is to make them feel like a king, make them feel special, make them feel different from every other stores or every other shop they've gone to. So there is this particular time, me and a friend of mine wanted to buy a shirt on the island. Then we walk into this store. Immediately we entered the store, the way they were greeting us, hey, welcome, what do you want? And we just met the store owner. It was like, oh, we want to just buy a shirt and probably trousers, something like that. The guy just sit down. What kind of shirt are you looking for? We're like, oh, we don't have an idea. Was like, sit. He ordered drink. He brought drinks. He brought food. I was, bro, we don't have the money for this, so we just want to buy. And we're like, don't worry, it's free. But definitely, we know that it was not free because after eating and all of that, we know we could not leave that shop without buying something. So anytime, I know some of us might not have the kind of money to do those kind of things, but at least when someone that is coming to your shop for the very first time, you don't know this person, you've not seen him before, and is entering your shop, make sure they feel like a king. I'm definitely going to go into that guy's shop, not because is selling something that nobody else is selling, but because of the way it made me feel. And thirdly, this last tip or last idea I'm about to share with you actually feels like a crime, because every time you are going to be using this, you are going to be selling and you are going to be making profits every single time you use this on a customer. So this is an idea I personally call UOE, upsell on emotions. Let me explain what I mean by that. So every customer or everybody coming to patronize your services or coming to patronize you obviously sees you as a professional. So anything you're going to be telling them, they believe you. If you are telling them, oh, you need this and this for your, maybe let's say for example now you're a barber, you're a hairstylist. A person comes to your shop, you are cutting his hair, and you be like, bro, your hair is kind of turning brown. Have you tried this kind of cream? It will make your hair grow faster, it will make your hair look darker, it will make your hair kind of coily. Just market that product to them. And because you are in the right position, because they trust you, because they believe that okay, you know what you're doing, they are going to listen to you. Anytime you are using this UOE sell on upsell on emotions, they are going to be buying it from you. This has actually worked for me. Oh, this has even worked against me. There was a time like that. There's this a friend of mine. He always used this thing on me every time I go to the shop to cut my hair. He always tells me, your hair is looking like this. Hair look, I don't need to buy this cream, even if I don't even need the cream, and I'll end up buying it because I feel that okay, yes, he knows what he's saying, and he's definitely not going to lie to me, something like that. But it's just business. So if you actually enjoyed this video and you think it's going to be helpful to you or to helpful to anybody out there, just like, subscribe. It will help us grow a lot. You can see we're a small channel, but we are trying to grow, and we are going to be dropping content every single week. So if you are not subscribed, you're definitely missing out. Make sure you share this video, and in the comment section, just tell me what you feel about everything I share. If you think it's helpful, let me know. If you think there is something you can add to this, let me know. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned.